I have been rotting in bed. Honestly, it's such a lazy morning. Just watching a YouTube video. So I finally decided to wake up. और मैं उठ गई हूँ properly और it is 11:50 a.m. So right now I'm just going to go make myself some breakfast and breakfast में I really want to make noodles, so I'm going to go make myself some noodles and add some cheese to it as well. I love cheese noodles. लेकिन ये वाले पे जो स्पाइसी वाले होते हैं ना उस पर चीज़ का अलग ही मज़ा आता है. So I'm just going to go make myself some noodles. So I'm making noodles. As you can see, also I am making tea for myself as well. The cheesy hot noodles are ready. Okay, so it is around 3:30 p.m. and my mom made like this box. So it has, so much space in it and it always looks so good on the vanity. उन्होंने मुझे पहले भी एक बना के दिया था. But it's like she made it out of a shopping bag, I believe. Yes, from Sapphire or something. But it looks so neat and clean and you can fit so much in here. Maybe I really want to put like my palettes in here or maybe I will see. So I am going to be reorganizing some of my stuff. I had the one that she made me before. I have my hair care, skin care and other stuff in that boxes now. Also I have some hair color in that as well, so it really came in handy. First I'm just going to go and pray, then we can do it together. Okay, so here's the box and I feel like I'm going to be putting, look, these are all the palettes जो मेरी makeup eyeshadow palettes हैं. Basically only eyeshadow palettes हैं इसमें. एक है जो सिर्फ highlighter वाली है, बाकी mostly are, majority of them are eyeshadow palettes. So I can save the space. So the palettes that I don't use quite often, I'm going to start putting those here. I don't usually go for this palette, so I'm going to put it here. I don't usually use this one either. Since I was able to find only 3 palettes that I don't use and go for that often, so I think I'm going to put all of my bigger palettes in this box right now. For now, I only have like 3 palettes in here, so I feel like I have to fill up the space. Big ones, because the smaller ones I won't be able to identify. This one, the bigger one. This is another big palette. Let's just try to put it in my vanity now. Okay, so it can't fit there, so I'm going to do some changing. Okay, so currently it looks like this. I really like it, honestly. It looks colorful. I have some dusting to do and this is how the setup looks. Honestly, I'm thinking about changing my drawers with a white kind of like vanity. So maybe I'll do that soon, but right now it looks like this. Okay, so now I really want to watch some vlogs. Honestly, I love watching vlogs and makeup tutorials. Great creators, they make such positive videos कि उनको देख के ही like you get this really positive feeling. So right now I am just watching a vlog, or I'm about to watch a vlog. Like I'm going to be watching vlogs on my laptop and I really want to just sit and relax my mind and I'm going to be watching Nicole, and I'm also going to be watching Muskan. So I'm just going to do that for now. I am going to be using pink headphones. It's just plus I am wearing pink PJs as well. I love pink. Honestly, pink is my favorite color, but like not that kind of pink, but that kind of pink. I loved pink a lot, but as I grew up, I started loving like lavender, lilac, purple, and light blues, tones of light blues. So, but like nothing in my heart can change, like my love for pink. So I'm just going to go and watch some videos right now. So it is the next day, and my skin was breaking out from here and here. You guys cannot probably see that on camera, but I really wanted to do some skincare, so I have some products right here, and I really wanted to do those. Also, my skin really needs some hydration. I wanted to make this skincare session a little bit interesting, so I'm going to be talking about my current favorite K-dramas. I love watching K-dramas, and I can literally binge watch 3 episodes easily if I get to it. और एक दफ़ा तो मैंने Black Knight तो मैंने एक ही रात में ख़त्म कर दिया था. Anyways, I'm going to be talking about my recent favorite current, like K-dramas while I do my skincare. Also, I really need that hairband, that bubble wala. Like, I really want one as well, but I don't know how to get my hands on that headband. जब वो कहीं से मिल जाए, कहीं पे वो मुझे नज़र आ जाए कि so I can order it for myself. Put my hair back and we can start with ice rolling and start, talking about my favorite K-dramas, because I know that so many of you guys would love watching K-dramas because it is the it thing these days, or काफ़ी time से. Or I started liking the Korean world in I believe 2015, 2016. I don't know. Yeah, exactly. Maybe 2014. I don't quite remember. But I have been in this, like fandom for a long, long time now. K-dramas for the plot, and the plot are the characters. So without any further ado, let's just get started with the skincare. Okay, so I am here all set. I also wrote down, the favorite K-dramas जो मेरे current चल रहे हैं, जो मैं देख चुकी हूँ मगर मेरे favorite हैं. So ताकि मैं भूलूँ ना. I'm going to start off with an iced jade roller. The topics that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, they might include spoilers because I want to talk about, the little scenario of that drama. So if you want to skip, you can skip. I'm going to be starting off with my literal current favorite K-drama, which is Penthouse. I have never seen dramas with seasons, जिसके अलग अलग seasons बन रहे होते हैं. I don't watch that because I feel like it's too much, और कुछ dramas worth it भी नहीं होते. मगर मैंने कहा चलो start कर देती हूँ Penthouse, और ऐसे कर लूँगी कि एक season देख के बाकी छोड़ दिए. मतलब क्योंकि एक में अच्छा खासा पता चल जाता पूरा, तो आगे तो फिर वो कंटिन्यूएशन ही होती है. तो आई वाज लाइक ओके फाइन, एक सीज़न देख लूँगी एंड उसके बाद नहीं देखूँगी. एंड आई बिंज वॉच्ड पेंटहाउस वॉर ऑफ लाइफ लिटरली, लाइक पता नहीं इतनी जल्दी. मैं यूनिवर्सिटी चल रही थी इस टाइम, मेरा 4th सेमेस्टर चल रहा था आई बिलीव. तो आई लिटरली बिंज वॉच्ड इट. मैं यूनिवर्सिटी से इसलिए घर जल्दी आ जाती थी कि मैं इसको ख़त्म करूँगी इस ड्रामा को. I loved that, or it's worth watching. Now I'm on season 3. It has 3 seasons. I'm on episode 7. कल मैंने बैठ के 3 episodes देखे हैं. My sister was kind enough to buy me a screen on Netflix now. otherwise we were sharing. So she was kind enough to buy me a screen. So now I can watch literally any other उसका ऑर्डर आता था कि बंद कर दो, मैं बंद कर देती थी. So first of all, I really thought कि it's going to be a very depressing, sad, traumatic sort of drama. Like और इस तरह का मैं एक देख चुकी थी जिसका नाम Save Me है. तो उसमें वो बहुत ज़्यादा traumatic था. Literally मैं स्ट्रेस में चली गई थी उसके बाद. बट आई वॉज लाइक नहीं, लोगों ने गलत रूमर्स फैलाए हैं. पेंट हाउस इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट एंड आई रियली लव्ड इट. हर एपिसोड का एंड पे ऐसा दिल करता है कि दूसरी वाली स्टार्ट कर दो. it's just out of the world. Okay, my second favorite, अच्छा मैंने ये ऑर्डर में नहीं किए हुए, मैंने बस मेरे जो करंट फेवरेट चल रहे हैं मैं सारे सबको बता रही हूँ. बट पेंट हाउस इज़ डेफिनेटली ऑन द टॉप. देन आई रियली लाइक्ड ब्लैक नाइट. वो अभी रिसेंटली आया था एंड इट हैड लाइक 7-8 एपिसोड्स एंड आई बिंज वॉच्ड इट इन वन नाइट. इससे पहले जिस लाइक घर में मैं ले ली थी उस घर में मैंने वो देखा था और हम तीनों बहन में एक ही कमरे में सोते थे और मेरे लैपटॉप की लाइट चल रही होती थी पूरी रात और मैं वो देख रही थी. बिंज वॉच रियली यू नो लाइक लव दैट ड्रामा. मैंने एक ही रात में उसको ख़त्म किया. इट वॉज एक्चुअली अबाउट, वो एक ऐसा बंदा होता है, वो ऑक्सीजन मेरे ख्याल से प्रोवाइड करता है मगर उसमें कुछ इश्यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं लोग. एक लड़का लड़की बहन भाई होते हैं, उनकी फैमिली को वो बचाता है. एंड इट्स जस्ट ओवरऑल अ रियली गुड ड्रामा. और ऑल्सो मुझे उसकी एक्टिंग बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आई. द मेन कैरेक्टर और लाइक मुझे एयर्स से वो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद हो गया था. गोइंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट ड्रामा, आई रियली लव्ड माई डीमन. टू नॉट लाइक सॉन्ग कांग, ठीक है, मुझे उसके पुराने ड्रामे आई डेंट लाइक. वो उसमें लव अलार्म में आई डेंट नॉट लाइक हिज कैरेक्टर. फिर नेवरदलेस की बहुत हाइप है मगर मैंने अभी तक कोई तो देखा नहीं मगर somehow आई डोंट वांट टू वॉच इट. बट सो एक बन गया था दिमाग में आई नो आई डोंट लाइक दिस कैरेक्टर और मुझे नहीं पसंद आया इसकी एक्टिंग. मगर आई वॉच्ड माई डीमन एंड आई वॉज क्राइंग, लाफिंग, sobbing. I was doing all sorts of things. He was so cute in that drama and वो इतनी अच्छी उसकी एक्टिंग. So about that drama, it was about a devil और वो devil बनता है उसमें. I loved how the character was portrayed. Obviously, मगर if you want to watch a drama with different दूसरे beliefs, then you can always like watch it with the intention of it just being a drama, of course, as a really good drama. और जब वो गायब हो जाता है ना last scenes में, I was like bring him back this instant. मुझे नहीं समझ आता कि ये कोरियन ड्रामा में बहुत ज़्यादा होता है ऐसे कि लड़का या लड़की में से ये क्यों किसी को लगता है कि भाई इफ़ यू लव समवन, इफ़ यू लीव देम it would be a good decision, like it would be good for them. Like no, it won't be good for them. Like why would you leave the person that you love for them? No, it is not good for them. What is wrong with people? I don't understand. Moving on to the next product, with the Miniso Rose Hydrating Toner, Rose Water. I'm going to be using that. और इसमें देखो rose के वो भी हैं petals. Yes, I'm just going to be using this. Okay, so the next drama needs a separate fan base. Okay, I love that actor. I forgot the name. मैं बार बार भूल जाती हूँ. मतलब इस अभी वीडियो करते हुए भूल रही हूँ. Otherwise I know their name. I loved that drama. Why? First of all, उसमें Vincenzo आता है. Vincenzo Cosano in that particular episode as well. I was screaming because I loved Vincenzo when it came out. I was dying. बैकग्राउंड म्यूज़िक से मुझे इतना प्यार हो गया था मैं आगे ही नहीं करती थी उसको. वरना मैं यूजुअली ना थीम इंट्रोडक्शंस आगे कर देती हूँ और लास्ट का पार्ट जो है ना उसके नेक्स्ट एपिसोड देखती हूँ. मगर इन दिस केस I didn't do that. I listened to Vincenzo. Okay, we're going off topic. So Queen of Tears I loved because of that actor. He is such a sweetie. I love him honestly. इतना अच्छी उसकी I love his acting. और वो ऐसे कर लेता है ना रोल्स, हर कैरेक्टर बन जाता है वो. There was this one drama, Just One Day मे बी उसका नाम था. तो उसमें वही दिखाया था कि उसकी लाइफ एक दिन में कैसे बदल गई. तो लेकिन उसमें उसने काइंड ऑफ लाइक ना स्केरी एक्ट किया थोड़ा सा. एक बेचारे ने पहले उसने मुश्किल देखी मगर फिर उसके बाद वो थोड़ा ऐसा लाइक रूड और ऐसा हो गया. मगर इसमें ही इज़ लाइक ऑल दैट स्वीट एंड आई लव दिस ड्रामा. ऑनेस्टली आई वुड रिकमेंड यू गाइस वॉच इट एज वेल. सारे जो मैं बता रही ना आई रिकमेंड देम ऑल. ओके, सैड न्यूज़, आई लिटरली फिल्म्ड अ 10-minute वीडियो और उसमें आई यूज्ड both of these products which I talk about again, and I talked about 3 different K-dramas as well. So I'm going to make it quick, but that video got deleted somehow. I was stupid enough to delete, press the button delete instead of the tick. Why am I like that? Anyways, let's do that again because like I love talking. The next product that I used after the toner was the Rivage UK aloe vera gel. It's a really good thing. Aloe vera is really good for your health. Or also, some people actually eat aloe vera as well, and I have never tried it, but they say that aloe vera is really good. I feel like it does not have any taste, so I just applied this, and I already have it on my skin. As you can see, I already have this as well on my face. So yeah, I was talking about Vigilant. I was about to talk about Vigilant next. This drama maybe came out last year. Found this drama और इसको मैंने binge watch किया 3-4 दिनों में, and it had 8 episodes. Since because I also work, so मेरे पास एक ही दिन में देखने का टाइम नहीं होता सारी episodes अब, तो it's a really good drama. I love this actor, and जब इसको मैं इसको weight lifting fairy Kim Bok Joo से जानती हूँ. Like he has such a cute innocent face. So when I watched the trailer, well, I was telling my sister कि how is he going to act as like such a like psychopath character, and how will he fight and do all that. After I watched the trailer, I was really excited for the drama, so I just started it ASAP because he was acting flawlessly, marvelously, and amazingly, and I really loved this drama. Honestly, it was about a guy जिसकी अम्मी को मर्सीलेसली मर्डर किया जाता है बचपन में, और जज लॉ उसके साथ कुछ नहीं कर पाती, जो ख़राब आदमी होता है उसके साथ. सो व्हाट ही डिड वाज बड़े होके ही यूज्ड टू फाइट द बैड पीपल जो रिपेंट नहीं करते सज़ा मिलने के बाद भी. The next drama was Hierarchy. I watched Hierarchy with a really good friend of mine. और हमने साथ देखा था पूरी सीरीज़ एक दिन में बैठ के हमने देखी थी, and it was really really good. It was actually about the school hierarchy, and I love school dramas. और एंड तक नहीं पता चल रहा था कि इस ड्रामे में अब क्या होगा और कौन है वो बंदा जो विसल ब्लोइंग कर रहा है. Anyways, it was a really really good drama. Next, I also used another one of Rivage's product, and I am out of breath. Feel like, anyways, I used the Vanishing Sunblock. It's water resistant, anti-dark spots, and anti-darkening. Multifunctional product for protecting skin from UVA and B rays, expressing natural skin tone. It's for all skin types. I got this before joining university because university mein it's a must. So I really needed sunblock for university, so I got this one. It does not have a white cast, but I believe if you apply too much, तब आ जाएगा because it does say whitening. I don't know why. Apply a little amount of it, so like my skin does not get white. The last drama I want to talk about is I'm Not a Robot. I watched this drama I think 1 or 2 months ago, and I watched it consistently. It was a really good drama. It was about a robot and a guy. मगर basically होता है कि वो robot real लड़की ही होती है, लेकिन due to some reasons उस लड़के को लगता रहता है कि ये एक robot है, तो वो सबनी सारी बातें कर रहा होता है. But it was an actual girl, और फिर उसकी तबीयत ख़राब हो जाती है because he has some skin issues, skin allergies. Anyways, overall it was a really really good drama. The character, I love that character. I love his smile. Honestly, whenever he smiles, it brings a smile to my face as well because he has such a beautiful smile. That was all the talk about K-dramas. If you liked it and if you liked this conversation between us, please tell me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I am almost out of breath, so I'm just going to go and have a glass of water. Bye.